Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Information Technology Manager is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Information Technology Manager? An Information Technology Manager or IT is a professional responsible for overseeing and managing an organization's IT infrastructure, including computer systems, networks, and software applications. Their role is crucial in ensuring that all technology related processes run smoothly to support business operations and goals. Let's talk about the key responsibilities of an IT manager. Number one, team leadership. They manage IT staff, including hiring, training, and guiding team members in their tasks. Number two, system maintenance. They ensure the organization's IT systems are functioning correctly and efficiently by monitoring and maintaining hardware, software, and networks. Number three, security management. IT managers oversee cybersecurity measures to protect company data from cyber threats and unauthorized access. For budgeting and planning, they plan and manage the IT budget, managing decisions on purchasing new technology and managing resources effectively. Number five, strategy development. They align IT strategies with the organization's goals by recommending technology solutions that enhance business operations. Number six, project management. IT managers oversees the implementation of new technologies, ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. Number seven, vendor relations. They coordinate with external vendors for purchasing hardware, software, and IT services, ensuring the best solutions and pricing for the organizations. So let us proceed with skills required. Being an IT manager, you have to be strong leadership and communication skills, knowledge of computer systems, networks, and software, problem solving and decision making capabilities, project management expertise, familiarity with cybersecurity measures. So lastly, we will talk about the importance of IT managers. Business continuity. They ensure that the technological resources are reliable and efficient, minimizing downtime. Second, innovation. IT managers help introduce new technologies that give the organization a competitive edge. And lastly, security. They play a vital role in protecting the company's sensitive data and systems from cyber threats. An IT manager is crucial for the smooth functioning and growth of any modern organization that relies on technology. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Information Technology Manager is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.